What if I told you that time travel is real? That we're now looking at the universe as it was over 13 billion years ago. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye into the cosmos, the secrets of the universe are unfolding before us. Welcome to the frontier of space exploration. In this video, we're going on a journey through some of the most stunning and mind-blowing discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST. So buckle up, because what you're about to hear might just change the way you look at the night sky. Before we dive in, if you're fascinated by space, astronomy, or just love mind-expanding science, make sure to like, subscribe, and join our cosmic community. It started with an image that took the world's breath away. In July 2022, NASA revealed the first full-color image from Webb, SMACS 0723, a patch of sky so small it could be covered by a grain of sand held at arm's length. But within it, thousands of galaxies. We're talking about light that has traveled over 13 billion years to reach us, meaning we're seeing these galaxies as they were shortly after the Big Bang. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Some of those tiny specks aren't stars. They're entire galaxies, each with billions of stars, planets, and possibly even life. Can you imagine how many stories are hidden in just that one image? Next, Webb turned its infrared gaze toward a distant planet, WASP 96b, a gas giant nearly 1,150 light-years away. But instead of just confirming its existence, Webb did something incredible. It analyzed its atmosphere. Using spectroscopy, scientists found water vapor in the planet's skies. Not rain, just vapor, and signs of clouds. This is a game changer. For the first time, we have the tools to study exoplanet atmospheres with high precision, bringing us one step closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone in the universe? One of the most visually stunning images captured by JWST is of the Carina Nebula, a massive star-forming region located 7,600 light-years away. Dubbed the Cosmic Cliffs, this image reveals a stellar nursery where stars are literally being born out of vast clouds of gas and dust. Webb's infrared vision allows us to see through the dust, unveiling protostars, baby stars in their cosmic cradles. It's like watching nature itself creating suns. Did you know our own sun was likely born in a place just like this? Imagine 5 galaxies locked in a gravitational ballet. That's exactly what we see in Stephan's Quintet, a tightly knit group of galaxies interacting and colliding in real time, cosmically speaking. Webb's image is not just beautiful, it reveals shock waves, tails of stars, and massive black holes at the center of the galaxies. This gives scientists clues into how galaxies evolve, merge, and even how our own Milky Way may one day collide with Andromeda. You might think JWST only looks at distant galaxies, but it also took an unprecedented look at Jupiter, and the result? Breathtaking. Infrared images reveal auroras near the poles, delicate rings around the planet, and even some of its moons glowing in the background. It's a reminder that there's still so much to discover even in our own backyard. What else might we find lurking in the shadows of our solar system? Another jaw-dropping image is of the Cartwheel Galaxy, located about 500 million light-years away. This peculiar galaxy, shaped like a wheel, was likely formed by a collision with another smaller galaxy, triggering waves of star formation that ripple outward like cosmic fireworks. JWST shows it in such high detail that we can study the rippling structure, star formation, and hidden dust within it. It's like pressing pause on a galactic explosion. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries of all? JWST has spotted some of the oldest galaxies ever detected, possibly formed just 300 million years after the Big Bang. These are baby galaxies in a young universe, and they don't look like we expected. Some are more massive, more evolved than models had predicted, which has scientists rethinking the timeline of cosmic evolution. Are our theories about galaxy formation wrong? What else could the early universe be hiding? The James Webb Space Telescope has only just begun its mission. It's expected to operate for at least 20 years, unlocking new mysteries year after year. From searching for signs of life on distant exoplanets to watching the first galaxies ignite, Webb isn't just a telescope. It's a time machine, a cosmic storyteller, and possibly the key to understanding our place in the universe. Now it's your turn. Which of these discoveries amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you love content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next adventure through space. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.